them. Move the animals to their carts. Try another one. Yes, it's a hare. Well done. That's right. It's a bear. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. Well done. A hare eats carrots. Good girl. A bear. Well done. An elephant eats apples. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Right, that's the bear's house. Yes, that's the hare's house. Well done. That's the elephant's house.